Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fund MetaMask from Binance. So what you will have to do first is open your MetaMask and of course make sure that you're on the right site or the official site. And now that you're here, you will select the network that you want. So go ahead and click this button right here under tokens, and then what you will do is either choose from Ethereum or BSC. So it really depends on you, and then just click that. And what you will have to do is click receive, and then you will just have to copy the address uh, of the network that you've chosen. So you will just have to click this, and after you click that, your address will be copied. And what you will do is you will go to your Binance, and once you're here, after after you've already logged into your Binance account, you will just have to go to your wallet section and then click withdraw, and then you will select crypto. And then after that, you will have to basically just paste the wallet address that we've copied from here. And yeah, and after that you will just have to again open your you will just have to choose the correct network, and then you will enter the amount, and then you will just have to confirm and approve the UFA and just wait a few minutes, and then you will check your MetaMask balance. And yeah, that's basically just it. And your Binance funds should now appear in MetaMask. And again, always verify networks to avoid loss. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.